In this video, you are going to learn how to increase the speaker volume in Windows 11 laptop. Come here on the search and search for control, and you're going to see control panel here. Click on it to open it. When it opens like this, you're going to click on hardware and sound. So click on this, and when you open that, you're going to see sound. So click on that. This is going to open the sound dialog box, and here you're going to right click. You are going to right click on the speaker, and you are going to click on the properties. And this is also going to open another dialog box which you can move around on the screen. But here what you want is to click on the enhancements. You have different tabs on top here, but click on the enhancements. When you click there, you're going to see all these different options here. You have the disable all enhancements, but what you want here is to check the last one, the loudness and equalization. So equalization and loudness, this is the one that you want to make sure that it's checked. When you are done with this, you can click on OK. And when you do this, this is going to definitely increase your speaker's volume in Windows 11. So try it out, and if it helps you, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.